Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. So I've got the Ironhead jacked up. I've popped the exhaust off. What else? I've went through the carb completely. Oh, and I know I said I wouldn't. I touched on a little bit in the first episode, but I just had to do it. So these are the covers. This is the the rocker box and how it looks, or how it looked. And I had to throw a little bit of auto saw on here and get at least the face of the front rocker box polished up, and boy did it ever. So I'm super excited for that. So anyways, exhaust off. I've went completely through the carb, got all the jets, everything, compressed air blown out, cleaned up completely. It actually wasn't too bad, but like I said, I'm probably not going to run this one. I'll probably go to a CV eventually. Up top here in the clamshell, the wiring was all hacked apart. There was broken connections inside, so I soldered all that up, got it all good to go. Kill switch, ignition, but that all works. Motor turns over fine, so that's great. So in this video, I'm just going to be doing some general maintenance, engine and primary oil change, clutch and primary chain adjustment, push rod adjustment, all regular maintenance that should be done on these old bikes. So first I'm going to drain the oil, and considering I can't get this bike warm, obviously it doesn't run, so I want to drain as much of the oil. So I'm going to pull off the line that comes down from the oil tank down to the oil pump. So that's the lowest point, so that'll get as much of the oil out as possible. I'll have to bleed this oil pump after she's running, but that's no big deal. So got the oil draining into this old tub. The little bit of oil that was in the oil pump drains out. Then on the other side, I pulled the filter. Actually didn't look too bad, the oil that came out of here, but it's got to be done, and it's cheap insurance. Keeps your bike good. And inside the oil tank, look at that, like just pure tar down there. Really bad. So you don't want that going through your engine again. So I'm gonna pop that off and take it down to the tub and give it a good cleaning. Hopefully get it nice and clean, ready to go back on. So I forgot to record the pushrod valve adjustments. It's a very necessary step for these old motorcycles, so I might as well show you how they polish up. So every time I touch a part, I gotta polish it or clean it up after. It's good practice. And I'll probably do a couple how-to videos on all these steps, you know, in the future. So if you want those videos, just post up in the comments and let me know. So now I'm going to do the clutch adjustment. It's not a necessary step to get the bike running, but you might as well do it. So my primary chain is adjusted within spec, manual, but if you do need to adjust yours, just break open this lock nut and turn this bolt in to tighten the chain or out to loosen it, all based on factory spec out of the manual. that's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.